This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later make it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, locate and launch the Google Drive app, which comes pre-installed with the system, and if you haven't previously uninstalled the app, it should be on your phone, so that's the matter of convenience, the fact that you will not have to download any additional third-party apps. So anyway, tap at the plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, give Google Drive app the camera permission, and then take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. If you're satisfied with the picture, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the photo. The following interface provides you with an opportunity to edit the final document. For example, you can change the color scheme, rotate it as you please, as well as crop the original photo and frame the part that you would like to result in the final file, or in the file that you are about to create. Then hit the save button. Then you will have you'll have a final chance, well, not a final chance, you will have a chance to rename your device or change the Google Drive location it will be saved to. Then hit this final save button, wait for the file to be uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.